Good morning. Any of you wonder if there's more on a Kobelco, more settings? There's not much in here. You got the auto idle. Sorry, go into the setting menu and you got a couple options. Nothing crazy. So if you need things changed, such as auto idle, shut off time, there's a couple different options. There's a way to get into that, and I will show you. First of all, make sure the machine is turned off. Wait for it to shut down entirely, and then see if I can do this with one hand. So you put one finger on the buzzer, turn the key one notch, and then hit the arrow button 3 times, and there we go. So this gets us into the service menu. This has tons of information in it. So version, engines, speed set, all kinds of stuff you don't really need to know. So that's not exactly where we want to be. So
channel 1,
hit the buzzer again, hit the arrow 3 times, and boom, there we go. So we want to, we'll check out service. That went back. Okay, try again. Buzzer 1, 2, 3 on the back arrow. There we go. Okay, let's turn it. Okay, we turned the knob and that changes it. So I believe we want to go service adjust. We press enter and auto idle stop. So if we press enter, it goes over, and then you just turn your knob to whatever. This shows the minutes, so I think I like mine at about 180 for now. And then there's other options in here. I turned on my engine speed display. It comes up 0 RPM right now. And auto excel, rise up wiper. There's other bunch of stuff in here. Some of it you can't get to. Oh, the other thing, start mode. My other machine was set on start mode S. I pretty much always run it in H mode, so I like my startup on H mode. But you can change that if you run it in economy or standard. So those are pretty much the main options. There's a couple other things in here. I'm not even sure what that is. I have to play with it. Yeah, if you want to get into this, I think we can start it up. Got the nice squeak. It shows your fuel rail pressure and all that, so that's pretty cool. There's a bunch more test mode stuff you can get to. But yeah, it's a little bit confusing, but just play around with it. The main thing to get in here is hold your buzzer with key off, turn the key on, and then press back arrow 3 times.